Hello, friends, and welcome to your first Game God lesson with me. I'm the Game God. So today you'll be learning how to customize your character on your screen. If you can see him, he's this little guy here. If you don't have these things on your screen, and if you don't have him in this background, what you need to do is go to this file right here in the corner. You need to left click on it, go down to where it says New Project, left click on that again, and it'll load. So if your screen doesn't look like mine, this is the first thing you'll need to do. You'll also need to name your project, which is basically the same as naming your game. You can always change it later. Mine is called Project 1, as you can see down here in these tabs on your left. Alright, I'll be going over each step slowly. My lessons are separated into 4 different parts. That way you guys can follow along with me. And so just follow my steps. We're going to talk about these tabs up here first before we continue. Over here to the left, this is how you start your game. This is a play test. Whenever you're making a game, you always want to test it out. It's really important. That way you might find bugs and things in there, and I'll show you guys what to do about those in a minute. This is where you customize your character. This is the character generator. I'm going to show you how to change your character, how to make your character appear and look a certain way, however you imagine them to be in your game. Because sometimes you need to have your character first before you can make your game. I've made a lot of games for mine as well. So this next one here, this is for your events. Whenever you put events in, you're going to do it in this tab over here, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. You have over here, this is your plugin manager. Plugins are it's an extra type of art that you can add into the games to change your menus and things like that. We will not be doing that right now. We'll be going over the basics because this class is for complete beginners. The database opens everything. This is basically, this can make your screen or your map view zoom out. That way you can see what the entire thing looks like. This obviously makes it bigger or highlights a simple area. And as of right now, this is the event tab. Whenever you're on the event tab, you'll get all these little squares. To make it go away, this is events. Click on this one. This is the map. When you click on it, you'll see all these little tiles on the side to your left. What these tiles do is, when you click on them, here, you can place them anywhere you like on the map. If you want to get rid of them, this tool back here is undo. So left click on that 4 times because we're not working on that right now. We're just going to work on him. If you want an event, you click on this. You're going to right click here. It's going to go new. And this new right here, this is where your new event will begin. Let's left click on it and I'll show you. It looks complicated. You will put your actor image here. On the side, it has walking, stepping, fixed direction, drew. Then you name your event. Since we're not doing an event, we're going to press cancel. So go down to the bottom, cancel. Let's switch it back. This tab here, click on the one next to it. It looks like it has 2 stars here. So now we're going to go back. Now that I've explained everything here. Oh, I did not explain everything here. Sorry, those were missing. You have your little pencil tool here. This is what you used. This is what I used to put these here. But let's say I wanted to make a bigger set of mountains. I would click on this one, and you would left click here, and you would drag, and you would get a whole area of mountains. Let's undo that. And you guys know this is the paint tool. I know it looks weird. I think they meant to put it in the shape of a lake because, as you know, it's called flood fill. It fills enclosed areas, basically. We'll be doing a lot. We'll be using this a lot. We're not going to use it right now. But I did want to show you guys all the tabs. Now that I've showed you everything, I'm just going to show you this as an example. Say we wanted to make this into the ocean. You would left click on it. It would become the ocean. Now let's go back to the back button and let's switch it back. Now we can work on generating our character. If you guys are confused, or if I went too quickly, which I feel like I've gone at a decent pace for you guys, you're gonna go over here and you're gonna go to character generator. But if you, like I said, if you guys felt like I went too quickly, you can also rewind the video if you need and stop as many times as you like. Also, a word of advice before we begin this, because this kind of is a long process, it can be, although it is a lot of fun and I'm really excited to have you here with me today. My suggestion for you would be to grab a snack. If you're having a hard time sitting through the tutorial, go get yourself a snack, go get yourself some tea, something that'll help you sit through the tutorial and the video. All right, let's go straight to the character generator. Let's left click there. As you can see, you'll get this little menu, and then you have this guy. Now this is a default. They automatically changed our character so he looks like this. What we can do is we can make him older if we want. We can make him younger. We can make him a woman even. We can make him a girl if we like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the side and I'm going to go to front hair. So left click on that. Look at all of these different colors. There's a palette right here with all different colors on it. We can make his hair orange. We can make him look like Naruto. Naruto doesn't have long hair though. How does Naruto's hair look? Let's see. Click on all the different hair. Just take a second. Just go through and click on everything. Now, the thing is, this is the front hair, okay? The rear hair, when you click on that, you'll get, this is how you customize your character. This is how you change them in this menu. So, I want our character to look like this. He has no front hair, he just has this. Next, we're gonna go to beard. He looks pretty silly with the beard. We can make him older if we want. I'll show you how to do that. Let's get rid of his beard. Let's go back to face. These are all the faces you have available. So you can make him look older. It'll add wrinkles. It'll add indents on his face. Sorry, there you go. Yeah. So the only thing is his facial hair may not match unless I can, yeah. We're not going to change his face too much. You can make him really white like a ghost if you want. You can make him really red, light or dark. We'll keep him the same. We'll give him the same pigment he had before he started. We can make his face bigger. We can make him look. All right, so we'll stick to this one for now. We'll stick to this one. I'm gonna get rid of the beard. It's just weird. All right. Yeah. Now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the ears. You can make him have pointy ears. You can make him have normal ears. If you're using a paid version, you'll have more. I'm not using a paid version, but you can still do anything you can. You can make him look however you like, or her look however you like. With the eyebrows. This is a funny looking character, guys. It really is. But this is how you change them. I'm also going to show you how to go to the mouth. You can make him smile. So this is just an example. Let's make his ears back to normal, okay? And then let's go down to where, let's see, facial marks. Should we give him facial marks? You can make him look all scratched up. Sorry guys, I don't know what's happening to my voice here. We can give him this look. We can make him look like that. That's just an example. We can give him ears. Yeah, let's give him ears. Alright, we can make him look like this. And as you guys can see, on the bottom here, his also the copy of him, the little smaller ones, turn out to be just like however you customize the character. So if he has a tail, he'll have a tail here. The ears, let's give him better ears. We can even change the ears. We can make them white, black, or make them green, make them blue. Yeah, he's pretty weird looking, isn't he? Oh, he's pretty weird looking with his ears. Let's make his ears dark purple. Alright, and his tail, let's make his tail dark purple too. I think that'll work just fine. Alright, time to change. Should we give him wings too? No, we're not going to do that. That is silly. Alright, clothing. Let's see. We can change his clothes here. Alright, so one of the most important things when creating a character is to make sure that after we first made him, I'm going to show you guys a little trick. So this is him, and he kind of has like a smile here, okay? We can give him a cloak if we like. These are all the things that are in character. Oh yeah, we did say we wanted him to be like a Naruto character. We can give him a headband too. There you go. Doesn't he look ridiculous? Exactly. So guys, remember this image, okay? Remember exactly how he looks. You can give him glasses too. Alright, so now you got this cool looking guy with these glasses. Let's make them red. There we go. Orange for Naruto. What you're gonna do is you're gonna face image. You're gonna go. Alright, first click on the left over here, it says randomize. What I like to do first is do the walking character. So you're gonna click on it. So let's close this. Go to walking character, left click on it, okay? You are gonna click on import. See how it's shining? Oh, sorry about that. You're gonna name it, okay? WC underscore Naruto. Walking character Naruto. It doesn't all have to be capitalized. This is just to indicate Naruto, okay? Mm, mm. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. I made that little mix-up export. Sorry. Do the same thing. WC underscore Naruto. Alright, then you can close it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the face character. So left click on the face. Go to export. I'm going to say WC underscore Naruto F. So this is for his face. Okay? Remember what this looks like, guys. Okay? Remember all this stuff. Because we're going to put this in here and I'm going to show you. Because we're going to change some of his expressions. So we already got his walking character. We got his face character. Now we're going to go down to, you're going to left click on damaged character. Damaged character, this is what he looks like if he dies, gets beat up. But a lot of the time I use these images for sleeping and stuff too. You can even change his clothes as well. And I'll show you guys how to do that too. Alright. So you're going to put WC underscore Naruto D. So this is for damaged character, if you guys want to remember. Okay? And last but not least, the battler character. We want to make sure we export it. So left click on that. I don't know how I got those two mixed up with each other. I've been doing this for so long. Alright, WC underscore and then you're going to put battler. So Naruto B. Oh, my voice is a little bit raspy. A little bit raspy, guys. Sorry about that. Alright, so after you've done that, you're going to go up here. Walking character. Yes, damage character. Remember, guys, he has all of these things. He has a cloak. He has... Okay? Alright, now the next thing you do, we're going to change his face. His mouth. So let's... Okay? This is how you change the expressions. We can make him look up not too happy. We go to his eyes, we make his eyes do this. Or do this. As you can see, he looks a little bit upset and a little distraught. Still, you see his face? See how it's changed? Left click on the face image. Export it. And then you're going to put WC underscore. Okay, the reason why I keep WC instead of just putting face and instead of putting like battler and all that stuff is because you're going to create more than one character. WC walking character Naruto. This is for Naruto. When we get another character in here, we'll name the front part different. WC somebody. And the only reason I put WC there is so that I know anytime I make a new game, I always characterize it based off something in the engine so that I know that it's from RPG Maker NZ. Because this is not my first game engine. So just as a review after I do this, guys. So we're gonna put WC underscore Naruto. I'm not gonna capitalize this time. I'm gonna put Naruto. And right now he's got like kind of a what does he have? Like a little sneer. So we'll put like sneer Naruto underscore sneer. Like that. You don't have to put sneer, you can put Naruto mad, Naruto angry, Naruto like pouting. That's just too long. A sneer is kind of like better. Because it's kind of like... Alright, now you see his face? Alright, the next thing we can do is we can go to the walking character. Hold on. Let's close this first. Let's go to his walking character. Now, what we want to do is we want to go to his clothing. Oh, come on. Go to walking. You know, just go to his clothing. Left click on clothing. Go to walking character. Now you guys see that he has... You can see that he's wearing this. Well, at nighttime we want him to take off his pajamas. We'll do a scene like that in the next video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change his clothes and make it look like he got ready for bed. So we're gonna close this. Go to his clothing. Let's find something that looks like it's tight. Okay. Oh, we can just take his normal outfit he's already wearing. Go to cloak. Remove his cloak. Go back to regular clothing. We can make it look like it's a night time. We can make this look, change this to a different color. Go to subcolor. See how it says color, main color, subcolor 2. Change it to the widest one you can. 3. Alright. There you go. These look different, right? And then what you want to do is go to where, let's see, his accessories. Remove that. And we're going to remove his glasses. You just come over here to where these parts are empty. You click on it, and now he looks like he's at home. He's relaxing. Not exactly pajamas, but it's like he's wearing pajamas. Now you go back and you do the same thing again. You go to face. He doesn't have to look like this though. Let's change his face. Close this for a minute. Let's see. Let's go to his eyes. Let's switch his eyes a little bit. Make his eyes like this. We can make him look sleepy as well. We can make his eyes like closed. Like this. Okay. It'll look like he's sleeping. We can make his mouth change so that he's a little more relaxed. Um, Let's make his mouth look a little more relaxed. Nope. Don't like that one. This one's a little better. This one. There we go. It's like he's sleeping soundly. Good night. Good night, Naruto. Of course, you can't really name your game Naruto or you'll get sued. I just thought this would be a lot of fun for you guys. And then in our next video, we'll do something completely different. But we'll be ending the video soon, now that I've showed you how to customize these characters. Now that I've shown you what to do, you guys can use it for whatever you guys would like to do. We can go here to randomize. If you randomize it, it'll give you completely different characters. And I'll show you guys that in a second. First, let's save this. I'm sure we can use it in our game. We'll be using this character. I'll show you guys how we'll name them and everything in a few minutes. Let me just go to face. We're going to export it. Every time you do this, you have to name your character. So this guy is going to be, like I said, WC underscore Naruto. And I think it's going to be cute to say sleep. Okay. We can do our walking, we can do our walking character as well. So you can say he's walking around like this. Okay. Export. And then you're going to go to WC underscore Naruto underscore PJs. PJs. And then for the battler, and then for battler, he's not gonna battle in his pajamas. Okay. I'll show you guys a little trick we can do later too. So export this, and you're gonna put WC underscore Naruto underscore dreaming or dream. Ta-da. There you go. This is how you customize your character. And now, before I end the video, I'm going to show you guys really quickly how we place the character, your new character, in the game. You still have this guy. Go over to the Events tab. It's underneath Game. Left click on it. Go to your character. Right click on him. Delete him. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to switch it back to the normal map. It's not an event. You're going to go all the way over here. Keep moving this. And you're going to see database. You're going to left click on database. In here you have all your actors, your classes, your skills, your weapons, your enemies, your troops, your animations, your tile sets, your common events. Your system 1, system 2. First thing you're going to do is we're going to name our character. His name was Naruto, right? Now, you don't have to name your character Naruto. You can name him something else. I don't plan on publishing this. Ninja will be his nickname. You don't have to give him one. We're going to start off making him a level 10. We're going to make him a martial artist. Now, what you need to do is look down here for what you saved Naruto as. So, if you look down here, Naruto base. This is Naruto, the one you just made. That's okay. Now for your character, left click on that twice. Go down and look for where Naruto is. Use this little bar here next to where this guy is. You're going to scroll down and you're going to find Naruto. There he is, cloak and all. And then for the battler, click on that twice. Scroll this all the way down to the bottom. And you found Naruto. You're going to press OK. Naruto, let's see, we're going to say he wants to be Hokage. Hokage. Yes, I'm a huge anime fan. You want to be Hokage. Make sure you spell everything right too. He wants to be your Hokage. Down here, this is about your shield, all your stuff. Since this is a basic lesson, we don't actually need. We don't need it. So, this is important at the bottom here. This allows you to change the amount of characters you want in the game. You're going to press OK when you're done. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go back to where the event is. Remember how our character was there? We deleted him using this and do the exact same thing to put him back. So you're going to left click on it. You're going to right click on the middle. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom and put where it says set starting position. You can do a player, you can do a boat, a ship, or airship. You're going to click on player. Left click on it. Here's our player. And next, the very last thing you're going to do is test out your game to make sure that everything works. Go over to the play button where it says play test. Left click on it. Save the changes to your game. You should automatically get a title screen that's going to come up. We'll change that later, but right now we just want to test out our game. You'll see it when it comes up. If you guys have never made a game before, this is going to be your first time making a really cool game. I'm so excited you guys could join me, and I'm so happy that you guys could be here today. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos. Thank you for taking the Game God lesson. As you can see, mine is called Project 1, but I am going to go back and change it, and I'll show you guys how to do that too. It takes a while to load. You can look at this small screen or you can make it bigger. Of course, all you do is click on this little square, and now it's full screen. So you can't really choose continue. Use your arrows to do it, or you can use your mouse. I like to use the arrows. I hope this isn't too loud, but yes, look at the characters. So in the front is your character. There you go. That's how you customize your character. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to not only get rid of the other characters or parties behind you and put new parties, if you guys even want a party, but I'll show you guys how to change the menu using the basic tools and elements that are already in the game engine. Thank you guys for joining me in my class. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.